So what's the deal? I'm putting in a stereo. Thousands of videos about that, so I'm not going to go into that. I wanted some speakers for the back, but I didn't want to drill, cut, whatever right now. So I got these on the Amazon. I'll leave a link. I'm just going to throw them under the seat for now. I guess they could also go up here or something, kind of 80s old school. But yeah, let's try it out. So I got them wired up. For now, I just ran the wires under the mat because I'm not sure how I want to route them yet. But I did notice one thing. These are slippery. We'll have to fix that. Went to the junk drawer. Simple problem requires a simple solution. Get you some Velcro. Of course wobbly, but it ain't sliding across the floor anymore. So I'll slap some on the other side and fire them up. Got the radio in, got the scars in, check my other video for how I did those. I got the radio on to avoid a copyright strike, but you can see they're not going to slide. Velcro's holding them. Fit pretty good with the bar. I was worried about a 6x9 not fixing because of that. Not going to win a stereo competition, but at least I got some noise now, so I'll leave links. Hope it helps.